Let's answer this question. Sine raised to 8 theta minus cos raised to 8 theta equals 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta into 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Before we answer this question, let's get accustomed to the algebraic identity x square minus y square. When you factorize the difference of two squares, you get x plus y into x minus y. Using this identity, let's factorize x raised to 8 minus y raised to 8. Remember, you needn't write this algebraic identity in your answer if this question is asked for the board examination. This is just to make you convince and make you answer this question very easily. If you get accustomed to this expression, then you can easily answer this question. X raised to 8 and y raised to 8 can be expressed as the difference of two squares. X raised to 8 can be expressed as x raised to 4 the whole square, and y raised to 8 can be expressed as y raised to 4 the whole square. So this is equal to x raised to 4 the whole square minus y raised to 4 the whole square. Using this identity, instead of x we have x raised to 4 and y we have y raised to 4. When you factorize, you get x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 into x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4. The second factor can again be expressed in the form equals x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 into x square the whole square minus y square the whole square, further factorized as x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4. This is not factorized or substituted. Here the second factor is expressed as x square plus y square into x square minus y square. In order to answer this question, you need the simplification up to this level. Here, you know, this is in the form of identity and further factorized as x plus y into x minus y. But here, to answer this question, we do not need that factorization. If you put sine in the place of x and cos in the place of y, you can simply follow these steps and come to the conclusion or the answer side. Here we substitute x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 using this identity. X square plus y square is equal to x plus y the whole square minus 2xy. Here this can be expressed as x square the whole square plus y square the whole square into x square plus y square into x square minus y square. This is substituted as x square plus y square the whole square minus 2x square y square into x square plus y square into x square minus y square. If you substitute x by sine theta and y by cos theta, you get the answer straight away. Now we concluded x raised to 8 minus y raised to 8 is equal to x square plus y square the whole square minus 2x square y square into the whole into x square plus y square into x square minus y square. This is enough for answering this question. Let's see how to answer this question by substituting sine theta and cos theta in the place of x and y. Sine raised to 8 can be expressed as sine raised to 4 theta the whole square minus cos raised to 4 theta the whole square equals sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta into sine raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta equals, this can be expressed as sine square theta the whole square plus cos square theta the whole square into sine square theta the whole square minus cos square theta the whole square. Now let's substitute this. As we have already seen, x square plus y square is equal to x plus y the whole square minus 2xy. In the place of x we have sine square theta and in the place of y we have cos square theta. This can be expressed as sine square theta plus cos square theta the whole square minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta into, this is sine square theta the whole square minus cos square theta x square minus y square x plus y into x minus y, sine square theta plus cos square theta into sine square theta minus cos square theta equals, we need to remember the trigonometric identity that sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So this can be substituted as 1 and this one can also be substituted as 1. Here 1 square minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. 1 square is 1. 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta into, this is 1. Here we need 2 cos square theta. Therefore, we substitute sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta. That is 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta is 1 minus 2 cos square theta. 1 minus 2 cos square theta. This is the answer that we need. 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta into 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Dear students, I have already told you that the algebraic identity is not required for answering this question, but I have given you a detailed explanation of this algebraic identity so that you can answer this question easily following the identity. In order to answer this question, you need only this expression, keeping the algebraic identity in your mind, or you can write down the identity and the expression so that it can easily be solved step by step. I think it is very clear to you. I have made it as simple as possible so that everyone can easily understand this question and answer this question easily and similar questions. Dear students, our preparation for the board examination is continuing. Now let's solve some problems related to trigonometry. It is given that m is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. We need to prove that m square minus 1 by m square plus 1 is sin theta. You can either solve this problem by taking sec theta plus tan theta as m directly, or you can make some changes as I have done here. I think it is a better way to solve this problem. Sec theta and tan theta can be expressed as fractions having same denominators. Here cos theta. Similarly, cosec theta plus cot theta or cosec theta minus cot theta can also be expressed as fractions having same denominators, and you can easily simplify it. Now I substitute m as m is equal to sec theta plus tan theta equals 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So m square is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, the whole square minus 1 by 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, the whole square plus 1 equals 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus, here I substitute 1 as cos square theta by cos square theta, because here we have on the denominator cos square theta divided by 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus cos square theta by cos square theta. We have cos square theta as common denominator. That is, to simplify, we have 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus cos square theta by cos square theta divided by, I express the division in this way so that you can easily detect the numerator and denominator. In the denominator part, we have 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus cos square theta by cos square theta. In this session, I make the changes in different ways on the numerator part and on the denominator part. Here, I express 1 as sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta divided by cos square theta divided by, here I express sin square theta plus cos square theta as 1. Here we have 1 plus 1. Here sin square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin theta divided by cos square theta. Here the cos square theta and minus cos square theta, when you add these two, you get 0. Sin square theta plus sin square theta, 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta divided by cos square theta into, to divide, we multiply by the reciprocal. Here we have cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta equals, you can cancel cos square theta and cos square theta here. We have 2 sin theta into 1 plus sin theta divided by 2 into 1 plus sin theta or sin theta plus 1. You can cancel 2 and 2, 1 plus sin theta and 1 plus sin theta. We have sin theta. This is the answer we need. Let's answer this question. Cot square theta into sec theta minus 1 by 1 plus sin theta plus sec square theta into sin theta minus 1 by 1 plus sec theta equals 0. Before answering this question, I will give you a little bit explanation of writing certain terms like this. If it is b plus a, you can write a plus b if needed. In the same way, 1 plus sin theta can be expressed as sin theta plus 1. 1 plus sec theta can be expressed as sec theta plus 1. This depends on the question and the answer, the steps in the answer. For example, here, as you know, the trigonometric identity of sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. In order to get this identity, instead of taking 1 plus sec theta, we can take sec theta plus 1 so as to get into the answer straight away. That's why I have noted here 1 plus sec theta can be expressed as sec theta plus 1 if needed. But remember, 1 minus sin theta is not sin theta minus 1. Just like b minus a is not equal to a minus b. If a and b are different values. So keeping these facts in your mind, you can answer this question. This seems to be a question a little difficult, but we can easily answer it. Just like adding two fractions of different denominators, we can add these two. The LCM of the denominators is 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sec theta. Just like we add fractions, first we divide the LCM by the first denominator and multiply the numerator by the quotient. Here, when you divide LCM by the first denominator, you get 1 plus sec theta, but we express sec theta plus 1 so as to get the answer. So cot square theta into sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1. Instead of 1 plus sec theta, I have written here sec theta plus 1 plus sec square theta into sine theta minus 1 into sine theta plus 1. When you divide the LCM by second denominator, you get 1 plus sine theta. It is expressed as sine theta plus 1 equals. Here, the two terms are in the form x plus y into x minus y, x square minus y square. So, cot square theta into sec square theta minus 1 plus sec square theta into sine square theta minus 1. The whole divided by 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sec theta equals, sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta, cot square theta into tan square theta plus sec square theta into, here it is minus cos square theta. I'll explain how it is simplified as cos square theta by 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sec theta. 1 minus sine square theta equals cos square theta. If you multiply the equation by minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus sine square theta into minus 1, you get plus sine square theta. Sine square theta minus 1 is equal to minus cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta equals cos square theta. Then sine square theta minus 1 is equal to minus cos square theta. That's how we substituted sine square theta minus 1 as minus cos square theta. Cot theta into tan theta equals 1. Similarly, cot square theta into tan square theta is also 1. Cot square theta can be expressed as 1 by tan square theta into tan square theta equals 1. Similarly, sec square theta into minus cos square theta is minus 1. That is 1 by cos square theta into minus cos square theta equals minus 1. Equals cot square theta is 1 by tan square theta into tan square theta plus 1 by cos square theta into minus cos square theta by 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sec theta equals 1 plus minus 1 by 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sec theta equals 0 by 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sec theta equals 0.